Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of tricks and tips and the different type of the artifacts. First we are going to make use of some of the numbers to convert them into some different beautiful things. Here we are trying to trace down some of the sweet candies like one lollipop, then the ice cream, then a cake, and after that some more candies. This activity is best suitable for the small kids. Let's move towards our next project. Here we are going to show you how we can convert these numbers from 1 to 10 into different type of the object. First we have tried to make a tap, after that we have made two hearts, then it was a time for the apple and then a window, and after that so many different things that are apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video so that you can have a clearer view. Just focus and try to make this one. This activity is very simple and very less time consuming. Now we will move towards our another project. Here we are going to show you how you can trace down a tree perfectly. Usually we are able to just make them that much with ease. So today we are going to show you how we can trace them. Next we are going to again trace down from 1 to 8 numbers. After that we are going to convert them into different objects. Here we are going to first make 1 and then we are going to convert it into a tree. 2 is again converted into somewhat sunset, then a butterfly and fish and apple. Then we have just tried to trace down a snail. This activity is very simple. It's time for rat for the 7 number and then a cute little bear for the 8 one. Fill it with some bright color so that it looks more good and attractive. Let's move towards our next project. Here we are going to show you how we can make a fish perfectly. The fins are to be made pointed and they add more beauty to our painting. Just fill it with some of your colors. Now we will move towards our next project. This one is a little bit difficult, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Here we are going to show you how we can make a boy so perfectly. You just have to be careful while making the features of the face like the eyes closed and the eyebrows and the lips. This activity is very simple. Again we are going to play with some of the numbers. First you just have to write from 1 to 9 and after that you can convert them into different objects. The first one is so simple, it's just a pencil that we have made out of the one, then it's a swan, then is the air. After that we have the different types of the things. Now next project is again inspired from the numbers. Here making use of the numbers we can convert them into different pictures like the flowers, leaves, sun, boat and so much. You just have to be careful because these are two tiny images. You just have to fill them with color so that the color doesn't come out of the lines. Be careful while you are filling them with the colors. Our next activity is just a simple landscape that we are going to trace down. First a simple house from the basic technique like the triangle, circle, some of the curves, and after that we are going to draw some of the plants in the background, the sun high above in the sky and some of the clouds. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Thank you.